Alright, I'm up under the coach here. Had a leak on the fuel pressure regulator. I want to give a thank you to Nathan. YouTube channel is Class A Living. I know you ran into this problem in February, and I end up just getting the repair kit, part 12807. And now the repair kit comes with two springs. You're going to see a red spring and a non-painted spring, a little beefier. The one on the left, this one, was the original one that was in it, so I went ahead and replaced it with the new one. It's the old diaphragm here. And you can see this nipple, get in here, this nipple right here goes inside there, and that's what, when the pressure on it, allows the fuel to come through. Anyway, I just wanted to share this video. Hopefully it'll help somebody in the future. Also, I think the replacement part was, what, $40? The kit, I think you can get off Amazon for $9 and change. I ended up calling O'Reilly's and found it there. They could have it by 4 o'clock the same day, so that's the way I went. It was, tax and all was $13 and change, so I'm good to go. Of course, my trip was canceled, but we on the right track. Now I gotta go chase a leak down, probably under my shower. So that's the life of a classic RV. Alright, y'all have a good one. Hopefully I'll be getting some more videos going, walk around, just sharing what I see and stuff. So if you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. But between this 87 Honey RV and my 70 bus, I'm always doing something on them. Have a good one.